Are you tired of paying monthly fees for multiple design tools like Midjourney, Canva, and Photoshop? What if you could replace all of them with one powerful AI tool for a single lifetime payment? Meet Artistly AI, the all-in-one image generation platform that gives you unlimited designs forever with no subscriptions, no restrictions, and no hidden costs. Just type your idea, click generate, and Artistly AI creates high-quality, print-ready PNG and SVG files in seconds. Perfect for Etsy sellers, print-on-demand creators, marketers, and designers. Create everything you need, including t-shirt designs, social media posts, wedding invitations, greeting cards, clip art, patterns and seamless textures, KDP book covers and interiors, all with one click. Unlike many AI tools, Artistly AI handles long paragraphs and detailed typography with impressive precision. Merge multiple images into one beautiful illustration. Turn flat product photos into professional mock-ups. Transform pictures into anime, cartoon, watercolor, or realistic styles while keeping every detail. Revive old, faded, or damaged photos with stunning clarity. Remove backgrounds, upscale images, or convert everything to 300 dpi, even in bulk. Upload any story and generate a fully illustrated children's book with consistent characters on every page. You can even upload a photo of your child, and Artistly AI turns them into the hero of their own adventure. Let smart AI agents handle repetitive tasks like resizing, enhancing, background removal, mock-up creation, and more automatically. If you are tired of juggling multiple tools and paying monthly fees that eat into your profits, it is time to switch to Artistly AI. One tool, one click, one lifetime deal. No subscriptions, no limits, no stress. Click the link in the description to get a special discount coupon for Artistly AI and start creating unlimited designs today.